Okay, what I love about the quadratic formula is that it works for everything. You just have to plug things in very carefully and follow the steps very carefully. Okay? First thing to realize is it has to be set to equal 0. Y has to equal 0 because, again, we're looking for the roots where y equals 0. So this is to get something into factored form or to find the roots. Okay. So what we're looking for is, first step, find your A, your B, and your C value, which should sound familiar. Anytime you're in standard form, you want to find those three values. And then your formula is here. Stays the same no matter what. It's always negative B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. You just have to memorize that. Okay? So plugging things in, I always recommend parentheses. So you know that you have this negative stays from the formula. This is from the B value. Right? Plus or minus, don't forget. Then we plug in parentheses again. And then we just simplify. This becomes positive 5. This becomes 25. This becomes positive 56 because a negative times, so 4 times 1 is 4 times negative 14 is negative 56, but that's minus a negative 56, which becomes a positive. This simplifies to 81, and then we just keep simplifying. The square root of 81, if you don't remember it, you can put it in your calculator, is 9, and everything else stays the same. So we have 5 plus 9 is 14, divided by 2. 5 minus 9 is negative 4, divided by 2. And there's our roots. Here's one more. Y equals B squared minus 4B plus 4. Set it equal to 0. That's a key. Right? A is 1, B is negative 4, C is 4. Remember that this sign and that sign are attached. So we plug it in. Again, we have a double negative because our B is negative. So this becomes positive 4. Underneath the parentheses, we have negative 4 squared equals 16. 4 times 1 times 4 equals positive 16. So this becomes 0. So what's left on top is 4 minus 0, which is 4. The 2 is on the bottom, so we only have one root in this case, which is 2. Okay. So remember, with quadratic formula, plug things in, carefully follow the steps. Remember your plus and minus at the end. In this case, we didn't need it, but in this case, we did to get 14 and negative 4.